Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to make some wire kidney hooks for earrings. What you're going to need for this project are stainless steel wire. You need the 0.025 size or 22 gauge. You're going to need your tools, so we need round pliers, flat pliers, either memory wire cutters or some older cutters you don't mind if they get a little scuffed up. You need a file for the sharp ends and a round form to wind them around. I'm using a knitting needle. So I'll start by cutting the wire. You want to be careful with the stainless wire because it's going to be very springy. It can spring out of shape. So just pull off the amount you need, hold it in place, cut it, and then put this back through the hole so it doesn't unwind. So you can go ahead and with this longer piece just straighten it out, either with your bare hand or with a cloth. You just want it somewhat straight, and then you want to cut so there's two pieces of wire. So just cut off that bent end there, and then you want to cut it flush there, and then because my cutters are a little bit on the slant, I'm just going to flip it and cut it flush there. You can go ahead and file the ends, so just take it in your hand like that and rub it across around like that. If you have a different kind of tool to buff the ends, that's fine too. It's good to have the file firmly on the table and you just kind of wind this around to get the end smooth. So from there, we're going to take our knitting needle. This is a size 6. You can do a 6 or a 5. And just decide how long you want the hook to be. And then you're going to hold this in place and just wind it around the round form. So you just wind it right around. Size 6 seems to work quite well. So you have it like that. And then keep in mind you want this to hang a little lower than the hook part. So now what we're going to do is take our round pliers and just a little bit above the end of the wire, where the end of the wire is, just take this and bend it like that. So it's going to be hard to bend them both at once. So at this point you can separate them. If you want to tighten up that bend a little bit, just take your flat pliers and bend it a little bit more to tighten it up, and then you can get your round pliers, bring it around. This is what makes the little loop part that you're going to hang your earring thing on. So you just go like that and then put it back in there and bring it down. So you've got this kind of configuration there. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. We'll just tighten up our bend a little bit, just kind of wiggle it back and forth. Take the round pliers, put them in just around like that, and then bend it out like this. So then you're going to take your round pliers and about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, you're just going to take that in, bend it right back to make your hook, and then you're going to get your cutters. You can use your memory wire cutters or your flush cutters if they're strong enough, and then give it a little clip. It works really well with the memory wire cutters. And then if it's sharp, just go in and give it a little file. If you need to put it back on the knitting needle, you can definitely do that to like wiggle it around to get it the right shape. And then you see you're going to have your kidney hook like that. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share pictures of your wire creations and be inspired by others, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire wedding cake toppers and unique jewelry. I also send out a monthly newsletter, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook, where I give a list of my supplies and materials and a few tips. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you the next time.